Friends, in this concept we will learn about mammary gland. The concept is mammary gland. So we know the mammary gland is the characteristic feature of all the female mammals. Mammals ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆಯೋ ಎಲ್ಲ female mammals ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಇರುವಂತ characteristic structure mammary gland. So they are exist in pair. They are present in one pair or two in number, which is also called breast. Okay, what is the main purpose? It is helps in lactation. Not only in lactation, it has certain fats and glandular tissue. ಇದು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಿಂದ ಮೇಡಪ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಗ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡುಲರ್ ಟಿಶ್ಯೂ ಇಂದ ಮೇಡಪ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, means which produces certain hormone, and then it is made up of fat tissue. Fat tissue ಇಂದ ಮೇಡಪ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. So next, structure of mammary gland. So if we see here, mammary gland is attached to the ribs, muscles between the ribs. So you have already studied in the skeletal system, locomotion chapter. So the ribs now in the sahayadinda the base of the mammary gland is get attached so that it helps in the movement. So the backward of the ribs has numerous this region has fat in the made-up ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ the mammary gland. So here the mammary gland has around 15 to 20 mammary lobes. ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ like this, one lobe, second lobe, third lobe, fourth lobe anta there are 15 to 20 mammary lobes like this. So those are all called mammary lobes. Inside these mammary lobes there is a structure called alveoli. These are all the alveoli. So why this alveoli? Now respiratory system ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದೀವಿ, the breathing lungs has an alveoli. ಅಲ್ಲಿ alveoli ಕೆಲಸ ಏನು? It is an act as an air sac which stores air. ಆದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ alveoli has a central region called lumen. That is the place where the milk is stored. Milk ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? Store ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. The lumen of this alveoli stores the milk. So if you zoom in this structure, you can observe this mammary lobes. Mammary lobes ಒಳಗಡೆ there are many alveoli. So this alveoli opens into, so if you consider this as a mammary gland, there are many mammary lobes, around 15 to 20 mammary lobes has alveoli. Okay. This mammary lobes connects to a mammary tube. Mammary tubules ಗೆ ಅದು connect ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Mammary tubules will run like this. Mammary tubules will form a mammary duct. Mammary duct ನ formation ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. So ಎಲ್ಲ tubules ಸೇರಿ ಒಂದು duct ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. That is a kind of bigger tube. ಆಯ್ತಾ? This bigger tube has numerous smaller tube ಆ ತರ. So this ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡೋದ್ರೆ this mammary tubules will forms a mammary duct. This one is the bigger tube is called as mammary duct. Later this mammary duct will join to a wider part called as an ampulla. mammary duct this mammary duct will later joins into ampulla. ಒಂದು wider region called ampulla ಗೆ join ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ರೀಜನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈ ತರ a kind of lactiferous duct ಬರುತ್ತೆ. This lactiferous duct finally leads to a central region called nipple. So that is how the complete structure. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ there are many lobes ಇರುತ್ತೆ, mammary lobes which has alveoli. Alveoli ನ lumen ಅಥವಾ central region of the alveoli ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? milk. So this region is called as mammary tube. This mammary tubes will together joins a mammary duct. ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ mammary duct join ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Mammary duct will further leads to a wider part called ampulla. Ampulla will joins to lactiferous duct. The central region called lactiferous duct. This central region which further forms a dark central region called as a nipple. So this is what the complete structure of the mammary gland. So the mammary gland is the characteristic feature of all the female mammals. which is made up of fat and glandular tissue in the made up ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Glandular tissue which secretes certain hormones. So this milk is get comes out through this lactiferous duct. The lactiferous duct in the ಆಚೆಗೆ it will get sucked out. So this is the complete detailed structure of the mammary gland. Hope you got this point. So during lactation, mammary gland plays very important role, which provide all the necessary nutrition which is needed for the growth and development of the baby. So thank you so much. Keep watching.